Hello friends, welcome to my Japanese language class. Today we will learn lesson 23 or Dai Niju Sanka. Let's start today's session. Verb dictionary form, verb noun form, E adjective E, Na adjective Na, noun no. Toki. Meaning is when. When toki is using as a conjunction in between two sentences, it takes verb dictionary form, verb noun form, E adjective with E and Na adjective with Na. Noun also take Na. Please look at the sentence. Tosokan de hon o kariru toki kadoga irimasu. Kariru toki kadoga irimasu. Kadoga irimasu is one sentence. Tosokan de hon o karimasu. Kariru. This is one sentence. So, when you borrow book from the library, you require a card. Comes to next one. Chukai khata ga wakaranai toki sensei ni kite kudasai. Sensei ni kite kudasai. One sentence. Chukai khata ga wakaranai toki. When you don't understand how to use, please ask to teacher. Comes to next one. Karada no choshi ga warui toki genki cha o nomimasu. Genki cha o nomimasu. Drink the healthy tea. When the health condition is not well, take the healthy tea. Next, come to the sentence. Himana toki sousechi o yomimasu. Himana toki sousechi o yomimasu. Read the novel. Himana toki, when I have free time, I read the novel. Gakusei no toki arubaito o shimashita. When I was a student, I did part-time job. Toki meaning is when. When it used as a conjunction in between two sentences, it takes verb dictionary form kariru toki, noun form wakaranai toki, E adjective warui toki, Na adjective with na, himana, and noun takes no. So that will say no. Okay. Hope you understand this grammar. Make sentence by yourself so it will help you to understand the grammar. Let's learn next grammar. Look at here. Verb dictionary form toki. Verb ta form toki. Let's learn where we use verb dictionary form and where we use verb ta form. Okay. Uchie khaeru toki yasai o kaimashita. Uchie khaeta toki yasai o kaimashita. When I returned to home, I purchased the vegetable. But khaeru toki, khaeta toki. Look at the second sentence. Kunie khaeru toki kaba no kaimashita. Kunie khaeta toki kaba no kaimashita. When I returned to my country, I purchased this bag. But here is khaeru toki and here is khaeta toki. Both sentences, these sentences are meaning is incomplete. And this sentence, both meaning are complete. Here, khaeru toki indicates that it is incomplete, not yet reached at home. On the way, suppose this is your company and this is your home. So when you leave your company and return to home, on the way you purchase the vegetable. Okay. So खाएरो तोके. But उचे खाएता तोके ऐसा यो कायमास्ता. After you reach at home, purchase the vegetable. So खाएरो तोके it is on the way here. And खाएता तोके it is here. Already you reach at home. Next. Uniye खाएरो तोके काबानो कायमास्ता. When you return country, on the way you purchase the bag. But uniye खाएता तोके काबानो कायमास्ता. It means reach at country, then purchase the bag. Hope you understand where you used verb dictionary form toki and where you use verb ta form toki. The action you do on the way before you reach at your destination, that action take dictionary form toki. And after reach at destination, when you do the action, that verb take be ta form toki. Okay. Hope you understand it. Next learn conjunction to. It takes verb dictionary form. Meaning is then. To conjunction is used in a situation when the first action is done by the doers and the second action is the consequence of the first action. When expressing the situation where as a result of a certain action, another action is inevitable happens. So is used to connect the sentences. Look at the sentence. Kono chumamio mawasuto otoga okiku narimasu. Kono chumamio mawasu. This action the doers will do. But Otoga okiku narimasu, it is the consequence of this action. So, to conjunction is using where the first action done by the doers, but the next action is the consequence of the first action. Koreo hiku to miju ga demasu. Koreo hiku. If you pull it, the water will come out. Hidariye magaru to ginko ga arimasu. This is a doer's do. And this is the consequence. This is inevitable. Kono botan no osu to ochuri ga demasu. Kono botan no osu. This is the action. Ochuri ga demasu. It is inevitable. So, to conjunction we used where the first action we will do and the second action is the consequence of the first action. Hope you understand this grammar. Let's learn next grammar. Look at here. Noun place O movement verb. In our previous lesson we know place take a particle or ni particle if ikimasu, kimasu and kairimasu will come. Okay? In here, noun place. Place take O particle when movement verb comes. Look at the movement verbs. Sanposimasu, watarimasu, magarimasu. Okay? So when this type of verbs are comes, that place take O particle. Look at the sentence. Koen o sanposimasu. Koen o sanposimasu. Hasi o watarimasu. Shingo o hidarie magarimasu. Hope you understand today's class. Today's class is this much. If there is any queries or if you have any questions, please comment in my video. I will get back to you soon. Thank you for watching my class. Sayonara.